Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can simply fix Valorant crashing mid-game. So there's multiple reasons why this problem might occur. It could be your drivers, graphical drivers, it could be some missing data on your Valorant, or you might be running out of resources for your computer. So let's go ahead and solve all of those problems that I've mentioned. The first thing that you want to do is to simply make sure that you close background applications in order to make sure that your computer has enough resources to basically run Valorant. If not, it will then cause it to basically crash mid-game. So if you have something like maybe Discord, you have Steam, you have something like OBS and many more opened up, just make sure that they are closed. Next is the graphical drivers. So to do that, you simply want to open up your browser and then search for your graphics card brand. So in my case, I'm basically using NVIDIA. So I'll simply search for NVIDIA drivers right here. Open up the official page from that said brand, and then you want to look for the graphics card that you are using and make sure that it is updated to the latest version. This will ensure that your drivers is basically supportive and will not cause games to actually crash. Next is that you want to head over to Riot Games, and basically inside, you want to go ahead and open up Valorant. Click on your profile icon, click Setting, navigate through Valorant, and just make sure that you click on the repair button if you see one right here. Now, this will only be accessible after closing your game, so just make sure that it is closed. Click repair, and then this will basically repair missing or corrupted files, fixing the main issue. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.